Before you start, set these settings. Enable icing. Set the number of cookies to ice. Set flood fill style to best for other shapes, for mixed or non-round shapes. When using trays, you must check the Use Black Trays box. The carousel connected display will then change to 6 positions. Start the icing job. See what each cookie process is about in actual speed. First it is imaging the cookie, next is measuring height. Then it is icing the outline, and after that flooding the cookie. After each cookie, it is wiping the nozzle. Let's speed it up. Have a closer look to the iced cookies.